Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study fast. First, let's talk about effective planning. Begin by creating a detailed study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable 25 to 30-minute segments. This approach helps prevent overwhelm and keeps you focused. Prioritize topics based on their difficulty and importance to optimize your study time, ensuring you tackle the most critical material first. This structured approach is key to efficient learning. Next, let's explore powerful active learning techniques. Actively recall information without looking at your notes. This significantly strengthens memory retention. Implement spaced repetition by reviewing material at increasing intervals over time, which helps embed knowledge deeply. Try explaining complex concepts aloud to yourself or even to an imaginary audience. This method forces you to process and articulate the information, solidifying your understanding and identifying any gaps in your knowledge. Optimizing your study environment is crucial for fast learning. First, eliminate all distractions by turning off phone notifications and finding a quiet, dedicated space. Ensure your study area is well lit and comfortable, promoting sustained focus without discomfort. Remember to take short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every 30 to 45 minutes. These brief pauses help prevent mental fatigue and burnout, allowing your brain to reset and maintain peak performance throughout your study sessions. Finally, your health and mindset play a vital role in studying fast. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This significantly improves cognitive function and memory consolidation. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and fuel your body with nutritious meals to maintain consistent energy levels. Incorporate mindfulness or short meditation practices to reduce stress and enhance your concentration, ensuring your mind is sharp and ready to absorb new information effectively.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.